Want to know how to discover more crypto or crypto coins in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application, and once you've done that, you should be welcomed with this screen right here. And once you have done that, make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to install and log in your application, so make sure to watch it. And here you should be provided with this home screen, and below you should be seeing various navigation bar. So right beside Convert, you should be seeing Discover. So just simply select Discover right here. And this basically allows you to sort of for various crypto coins. Our classic ones are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tron, and much more. So once you scroll down, you can also see other tokens, right? And once you scroll down, you can also see more of these right here. You can also sort for name or contact address to find your specific token or product. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.